into character. Let's get into character. Hey, so trick question. What do Joe Exotic and Jim Bob Duggar have in common? Weird, but okay, they both come from reality TV background. They both exploit things or creatures that don't have a fully developed will of their own for money. They train up their children to be sent to the Lord. What? Well, you see, Joe Exotic is Jim Bob Duggar's long-lost gay cousin, you see. Just imagine for a second if Joe Exotic could have had kids. Replace the Duggars with a bunch of children, and you freaking got Tiger King. If Joe Exotic could have had kids, he would have done what Jim Bob Duggar had done. He would have had a even better resource, in a sense, to do this. I mean, maybe the cute Duggars is actually a better resource because they will draw in millions upon millions, and you know, then you just shoot the when they're too big, and you make them plop out another litter. And you know, tigers have like 4 pups per litter. And what does a human female have per litter? It's like, sorry, you couldn't find yourself a young Christian woman to raise up and convince to have 19 kids, or you know, I can't find 3 or 4 or 5 women to marry me and join my cult. I'll just grab some tigers and make a cult out of a bunch of broken kids who have nowhere else to go. And you know, this is what it is. This is why Tiger King is a freaking cult. What am I? I'm just a loony with potato cam. To get themselves famous. It's like they wanted to be on TLC. Just look at these people. IBLP wishes to raise up children for the Lord. And so the Tiger King raised up a bunch of big cats up for the Lord. Yeah, that's right. Maybe if you suffer enough, you'll just be granted paradise. Like, maybe if you see just how bad it can get with animals, you'll actually realize that this is child abuse. Yes, it's cute when a 2-year-old sings Bible hymns and recites Bible verses word for word. Just like it's cute when the tiger jumps through a goddamn circus hole. This is how far we got. And this is why it is so freaking strange. Like, we had better animal protection rights prior to having rights for the protection of children. You can make a fortune off of the Freak franchise. So, you have 19 kids and they all want to follow in your footsteps. No, chill. The firecracker who can actually hold down a job. The only one who actually seems to have any concept of reality prior to all this freaking bullshit, prior to getting married, is like, I can't fucking do this anymore. I'm surprised Janet doesn't crack. But then again, where can she go? The Duggars 2.0 return. You have the kids come back after this thing blows over, after Jim Bob Duggar is in jail, or maybe he dies, because this thing is gonna live until he freaking dies. He will drain whatever the hell snobby bullshit he can do until he works himself into a coma or dies. He is a grifter, a thrifter, or whatever for God. So, the only way out of this madness for these kids is for Jim Bob to die. Or for reality to come and grasp them, because, you know, it's the 21st century, we have internet. So the kids come back and start to expose their father for who he truly is, and take back what is actually theirs in a sense, because they never got paid. They were adults. They actually towed this line past their 18th birthday. Like, that is beyond what's crazy for. Like, I can picture John actually talking mad, saying, you know what, I disagree with my dad. I 100% disagree with my dad, because this is the person he is. Because his son Josh is the living, breathing Jim Duggar 2.0. But the rest of the kids, I don't think they actually follow like that to a T. So here is the prediction that we will actually get an unfolding of the Duggars and what the hell happened in that compound. Just like what the heck happened behind the scenes of Joe Exotic, you see. I'd watch that. I'd read the Duggars Reformed. I would take it. Like, if you've ever seen anything from the Westboro Baptist Church, coming out and exposing is the best thing you can freaking do. And retrospectives make money.